So today let's see what's inside of this insect zapper from a supermarket. And this one is not from me, it's from a local supermarket, so it shouldn't be that safe, even though you never know what slips through the dodgy requirements and gets to the mosquito market. So let's start exploring it. The box shows a nice and it says it runs on 50 volts, 100 Hz, and the voltage of the grid is 6 volts. It covers 15 square meters. The cable is 1.1 meters long and it draws 100 watts. But now let's of course open the box and here it is. And is there some manual? There is some mosquito to clean the grid, and here's the manual which says more or less the same as the box, and it's not in English, so I'm going to bother you with this. Now let's take a look at the manual instead of the zapper. Now let's take a look at the zapper. It's in this protective foil. Hello, and here is the plug, and you can see the grid in it and the light source, which looks like a source tube. It doesn't seem to be LED based, which is a good thing because the tubes to attract fluorescent insect usually are ultraviolet, 65 or even better, 50 nanometers. The LED based ones usually have violet LEDs which are 100 nanometers, which is more violet than ultraviolet, and very often the LED based ones produce so little light that it doesn't even attract anything. And now let's try to test it. And there is no switch, you basically just turn it on by plugging it in. There is the European plug on it and it lights up, but it produces a bluish light, but most of it is probably in the ultraviolet spectrum. It seems to be working. Or if I poke something into the grid, it's sparking a little bit, not extremely. And when I unplug it, does it hold the charge? It doesn't seem to. There is probably a discharging capacitor in it. Can I measure the voltage on the grid? It says 26 volts, which is kind of close to 6 as it claims. Maybe the 10 ohm internal resistance of the multimeter is pulling it down. It might be actually charging a capacitor via quite a high resistance resistor. Now let's measure how much current does it draw. 8 milliamps only? Really? This is way less than I expected. It claims 100 watts, but the actual power is only about 0 watts. And of course the power is the voltage times the zapper. And for AC voltage is the manual. They assume the power factor is 1, which is the highest it can be.